The police in St. Catherine are searching for 4 gunmen who robbed, abducted, and then shot a man and left him for dead in bushes in Sligoville last night. It is reported that about 8:30 p.m. the man went to visit someone in the community, and while in the area he was pounced upon by 4 armed men who robbed him of his possession. The hoodlums then placed the 38-year-old technician inside the trunk of his Toyota Probox motor car and drove him to another section of the community, where he was shot and left in the bushes by his attacker. He was eventually rescued and a report made. The Lynn State Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. A 45-year-old construction worker from a Kingston address was shot and injured in the Castleton community in St. Mary on Wednesday morning. Police report are that the man was cleaning his motor car on a section of the Content Main Road in the parish around 8 a.m. when he observed a motorcyclist riding back and forth in his direction. It is alleged that the motorcyclist stopped, walked towards the man, and took out a gun, firing shots. The man reportedly was shot in his right leg but managed to escape in a nearby gully, where he made his way to the Castleton police station and reported the incident. He was taken to the Anatomy Hospital where he was treated. The Brownstown police in St. Anne have arrested a 34-year-old security guard in connection with one of 2 guns seized in the parish yesterday. It is reported that about 4 p.m. the police conducted an operation at the Brownstown Mall, during which a Smith & Wesson revolver loaded with 2 rounds of .38 ammunition was seized from the suspect. He is being held on suspicion of possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Meanwhile, about 6 p.m. the Ocho police seized a 9mm pistol along with 17 rounds of ammunition after a man fled, leaving a knapsack behind.